tanan, babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Warm Delights for sending us these Indian food. Guys, I've been to India and I've tasted really authentic Indian food, and every time na may magpapadala po sa amin na mga ganitong pagkain, you know, it goes back to memory. Lalong-lalo na kapag nagugustuhan ko yung flavor or yung lasa, parang bumabalik po ako sa India. And again, I'm really thrilled and happy for receiving this kind of food. So once again, thank you so much, Warm Delights. Guys, if you are looking for Indian food, you gotta check their fan page. There's so much good recommendation and feedback coming from their customers din po. So, let me introduce the food, and medyo nanginginig na ako dahil gusto ko na talagang kainin ito. Anyway, but again, let me just introduce them first. Meron po tayong Beef Kebab. This is their Beef Kebab. Ayan. And then, meron din tayong Beef Biryani. Oh man, check that out. And then, we also have chicken biryani, which is, I think this is, I'm gonna, you know, spend most of my eating in this video. And then lastly, meron tayong buttered chicken. Ayun. And then they also sell these concoction right here. Ang tawag po nila dito ay garlic yogurt sauce. Wow, you can just keep this, you know. And then meron tayong chutney sauce. So I remember using chutney, no, kung meron kang parang dosa or pita, or actually you can, you know, dip anything, almost anything dito sa chutney sauce na. Wow. Okay, let me go first with their beef kebab. Alright, I wanna pour in this garlic yogurt sauce. Alright, so the first try, beef kebab with garlic yogurt sauce. Wow! You know, lagi ko pong sinasabi to sa mga vlog ko. What I like about these kinds of food, no, yung Indian food, Mediterranean food, Persian food, they have strong flavor, as in super. So, kumuha lang akong grilled tomato plus portion of the kebab. Oh, ha. Super enjoy. I am super enjoying this, guys. Right, so most probably, no, yung yellow basmati rice natin just gonna be the same base with the beef. Difference is, if you want chicken, it's available. If you want beef, it's also available. So I'm just gonna go with the chicken. And these two large chilies, I want it here. So dito sa beef biryani naman natin, meron tayong, of course, the beef. And I think what's added here is meron siyang potatoes. I'm gonna go for their beef. Wow, beef is so tender. I love the smell of the beef, the aroma. So fresh. Lastly, guys, I wanna taste yung kanilang butter chicken. Let's add more basmati rice to our butter chicken. Well, actually, yung butter chicken nila, for me, it doesn't have a strong taste, no? Parang medyo chill lang siya, or you know, a smooth taste, parang ganun lang. Wow, this is an absolute dream come true. Thank you so much, Warm Delights. Because what I'm gonna do is, susubukan ko naman kanilang chutney. kebab with chutney. Chili. Lots and lots and lots and loads of chili, which I really like. Wow. So there you have it, guys. Once again, we would like to thank Warm Delights for sending us these homemade Indian food trays. Grabe, super nag-enjoy ako. I'm still gonna enjoy more off camera, but before that, I would like to ask you guys to, let's give appreciation to Warm Delights. Please go to their fan page, give them a like, and if you like the food in this video, give it a like as well. So any reaction, comments, or any suggestion will be highly appreciated coming from you guys. Thank you so much for watching here in Pampanga. I hope to see you in the next vlog. Bye!